ate. Ala, mura na gila yun. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back
to our channel.
It's currently 11 in the morning and ang family ay nasa couch.
That was not you there.
Daddy, Daddy.
That was not you there. That was not you there.
Nakabihis na ang all, guys.
That was not you
Kasi
there.
I'll take the kids to
That was not you in there.
nothing.
White or purple?
I don't know about Daddy. Dadalhin ko tong dalawa sa library. Punta kami ng Carindale Library. Damp! Here lang.
Kiss? Kiss? Kiss Daddy?
Oh my God.
I can. No.
Uy!
Hello? Kiss?
That was
Kiss
not
Dida?
you there.
Kiss Dida.
That was
No.
not you there. White or
Wait, purple. Oh no, white.
Have a look. Celine's dress. That's Ate Paris' dress, guys. Nahalukay ko sa baol.
Yeah.
And it fits Celine now. Pang 2 years old pala to. But yeah, it fits Celine. So, ayan, pinasuot ko na. Oh, sobrang cute naman yun. Careful ha, careful. Have a look at them too.
Daddy, oh, mommy.
Daddy, oh, mommy. Kaarte, ganyan bata ka eh. Nak! Artistahin lagi ka.
Dad.
Huy! Ala, ayaw. No. Kiss na lang, ate. Kiss. Kiss, ate. Ay.
He's coming.
Kiss, daddy? Kiss,
Oh.
daddy? Ah.
Kiss Dada. Kiss Daddy.
Ang ating pa-outfit for today. Ganda-ganda ng aking pants, oh. Love it. Ayan yun. Oh, diba? May pabobo dyan. Tapos, agay! Just
She's a little bit crazy.
like that. Just crazy. Selene?
Yeah, she wants to lick my
I
foot.
know.
She wants to lick my foot. That was
Careful.
already there.
Careful.
And the blue and the
What are you
white.
doing?
White. I mean, blue and yellow. White.
I love you, sweetheart. Wait, I can see your bum bum. Uy, nabuang.
Sorry.
What's wrong? I think someone's pushing it. What do you think?
That was blue. First
Hey, someone doing a dung dong?
Huh?
Why are you giving
Be?
blue and
Let me smell you.
Yellow.
Tumakbo si Inday. Oh, gut-ogot pa, Mar.
You brush your teeth?
Yes. Celine did brush her teeth as well. Show Daddy your teeth.
Show me your
Show
teeth.
your teeth. Oh,
Right.
very clean. She brushed her teeth. Yay! She was so good kasi nung binush ko ang kanyang teeth, hindi siya nagganon-ganon. Oh, steady lang siya ganun, ha? Gusto niya talaga magpabrush
Now I
ng
have
teeth
one
din.
beer and it's press this.
Can I smell you, please? Can I smell you?
Orange, I think.
Ha? Uy, agay, nakahanap pa ng DDS. Nakahanap pa ng... Uy, tita and tita's watching. Oh, they're like... Punta din kami ng Carindale, guys. Agay. Shopping center. Doon kami na library pupunta kasi... magtingin din ako ng... What's wrong? Tingin ako ng bagong frame ng glasses.
I'm getting border.
Border, get your shoes ka.
And then we can
I'm
get
getting nappy for Celine. Because we'll change her nappy. Because I think she didn't know. Gusto ko rin palagyan ng yung pads ba, yung isang sa glasses ko na gustong-gusto ko. Ito kasi guys, hindi ko to siya bet. Tapos yung bet ko na parang pang everyday ko talaga na glasses, nawala yung kanyang pads dito ba. Sobrang sakit. Gugugo, Daddy. Gugugo, Daddy. Can you smell her, Daddy?
I can't. There's no block.
So this is my bag for today. Matchy-matchy sa aking top. Oh, mama. Get a nappy for Celine lang. So, ayan, oh. So, yung mga, ano pala guys, yung mga ginagamit ko ng mga frames for my glasses, they are from Oscar Wilde.
What's this?
Ayan.
What happened here?
Thank you, ate. And, ito yung nangyari sa kanya. Oh, di ba ito yung ginagamit ko palagi. Ala, grabe, tignan niyo, oh, ang, ano, grado. Ayan, nawala, oh. Kita pa, hindi mo siya mag-focus.
And this opinion one, we
Ay,
all the way.
yan, basta dyan, oh. So, papalagyan ko sa kanila yan. Para magamit ko.
Like this. This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy went home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had naan. And this little piggy went, oh, the way. Oh, the way.
This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy went. This little piggy had roast beef. And this little piggy had naan. And this little piggy went wee all the way.
Do round and round the garden.
Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two steps,
Ready? Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step.
Dito na kami sa shops, guys. Ang ating baby still na nakatulog sa sasakyan, but I successfully moved her sa pram na hindi siya nagising. Actually, nagising siya pero bumalik siya ng tulog. Ate! Come on! So, firstly, punta muna tayo ng Oscar Wilde para sa aking glasses. And then, pag nagising na to ang ating baby Celine, ay dadalhin natin sila sa library. Tagal ko nang hindi nakapunta ng shops, guys. Nowadays, wala talaga. Nasa ano lang ako, labas. Hindi na ako nasa shops. Yan, dyan tayo pupunta. Oscar Wilde. Tumawag ako before ako pumunta dito kasi I looked online yung mga glasses nila before ako pumunta dito para just to make sure. Let's go. Which one? Yeah, of course, it's pink.
Can I try it on?
So, ito yung ating pa-outfit today. Charan! Yes. So, ito ang ating titingnan. See? I really like this square looking na frame. Dami nilang frame dito, guys. Try kaya natin ito. So, yung suot ko ngayon, I think it's similar to this. See? But, they also have this. Very similar, pero ito yung pinakabit ko. Try natin. Ay, hindi ako makakita, guys. Ay, wala pang graduate eh. Ayan. Na, sobrang ano, parang, may nakita kasi ako, guys, sa shop ba? Sa grocery store the other day. What is it?
White and red.
Really?
Yes.
Well done. What do you think, ate? Ate, what do you think this? Hala, perfect siya sa ano ko.
Looks good.
Parang ano kasi, parang madam na madam ba, ano? Parang, hindi siya pang, ano, glasses ba? Parang pang style siya. Wala, nice. I think I'll get this one. Ano? Nice siya, guys. Pero, don't touch the thing lang. The glass. Baby, did show me? I like that one. I think I'm gonna get this one now. And then I'll look for another one. Kasi ano yata sila dito? try natin. Okay. Very similar lang naman. Ano din siya? Ang tawag ito, square din siya, pero iba rin. Kita ba, guys? Ayan, maganda rin ito eh. Pero makamukha lang sila. Hindi rin papahuli ang ating universe. So, they're very similar. Maganda itong sanis na ito, pero tingnan nyo. Hala, bakit ang laki?
Mine is
Yours is not falling? Good girl. Look. Ito yung bet ko, guys. So, kukunin ko to. I'm not sure about the other one. They look very, very similar. Pasensyahan nyo na ang aking kuko. Pero, I'm thinking maybe isang sunnies, isang glasses. No. Paris ito. See? 2 pairs for $1.99 from. So, it's more than.
what?
Meron na naman akong Gentle Monster. Naku, saan sa lagay mong dumanak ay? Dito kami ngayon sa food court, guys. Bumili kami ng lunch. Papakainin ko muna itong mga kids bago kami pumunta ng library. So, ito siya, kagising lang din ako. Pumunta na kami kanina ng Oscar Wiley, guys. So, nakabili na ako ng glasses. And it will take 2 to 3 weeks bago siya ma-ready. But isa lang yung binili ko, guys, kasi alam niyo ba, very yung kanilang, sa labas, diba sabi, from. Pag nagsabi from, 2 pairs, $1.99 for 2 pairs. Ay, siya, guys, hindi yan siya totoo. Siguro, pag may mga ganun, pero may mga add-ons kasi, guys. Kaya hindi talaga siya $1.99 for 2 kasi isa lang yung binili ko, ha. Pero kasi yung yung glasses ko, kailangan siyang kailangan ng thinning ng kanyang lenses. So that's extra, tapos may anti-glare pa. So isang glasses lang costed me $279 Australian dollars. So, isa lang yun, ha? Tapos sa nila is from 199 for 2. Charirit. Charirit, ow! Charirit yun, guys. Isa lang yung kinuha ko, yung square talaga siya, yung perfect square ba? Yun talaga yung hinahanap ko. So, yeah, I'm excited. Mama.
I can't see myself.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
They were waiting for the food.
We're waiting for the food and we're going to the library today. And guess what? I got some juice.
What are you doing next?
And this is the one I really want to show you.
So we have fried rice and meron din kaming beef burr. Yung sabaw ay nandyan kasi take away yung sabi ko, guys. So, kailangan talagang dito lagay. Oh, yummy. Ang bunso, kumakain na yun. Ay, nako. Kailangan pang lugitin.
Yes! I survived!
Good girl. You just do. Oh, you hold it. Hold it. Thank you. And we'll get some of this. Okay, this as well. Okay, let's go pay. Okay, keep moving. Let's go pay. I don't think that's the one lang. Ate. Oh, there's another one here. Here you go, sweetie. Whoop. And put it on the thing. It's okay. Do it one by one, ate. Library na kami. Tignan ko lang to sila sa kids section. Para makapaglaro.
What that says?
There's a lot, honey.
Huh?
A lot.
No,
What's
not
on?
The words, the one that has the W.
What's on?
What's on the picture?
Yeah. She'll be happy. Makakalabas na rin siya sa wakas. Careful. Oh. Go. Go. Wow. Good job. Good job. Takbo. Do you want to change it to something else?
Do I press this?
The back. Oh, that one, yeah. Good girl. Yes.
I want to get some here again.
Okay. This one, I think you like this one. Wardrobe. That's funny. Nagbabasa daw siya. Oh, Lily. Are you reading?
Try to do this.
Yes.
One, take your time, lift, and do this. That's a trick.
Yay.
Illustrator.
Well done, sweetie. Happy na ako. Nakakain na ng ice cream. You know what flavor that is lang? Candy. Candy Wonderland.
Wow, that's nice.
Ayan.
A few moments later.
Nakauwi na kami, guys. Kakapark ko lang. Chinek ko lang yung ating mailbox just in case tumating na yung binili ko na contact lens din. Wala pa eh. Ang two kids, nandyan pa sa sasakyan. So, pumunta kami ng post office straight after the shopping center. Tapos, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi mabilisan na ba yung lakad. Dito yung dalawa. Hi! Are you ready? No! What now? What now? Wala ba ito? Kami na! Sa loob na kami ng bahay! Reunited! Oh! Reunited and it feels so good! Yes lang. Careful that, please.
I'll be fine now.
Jump! Woohoo!
I'll be fine. Look,
Look at that. How she wants to do it again. Is this on a daredevil?
me too. I want to do it again.
Okay, hold on. Out the way. Ready? Out the way, out the way.
Nakamaigo. Kisipa sa lini ah.
Two.
Kain tayo ng shakoy oh.
Move.
Oh, yung ano pala?
Paris is done.
Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina
Mami, can you
na
go?
glasses ko na isa na may sira.
Move Lenny out the way.
Chinange nila.
You're gonna get kicked.
Yan yung maganda dito,
Watch
guys.
out. Watch
Balik
out,
mo
Lynn.
lang. Sabihin mo
Move.
nasira. They put a new one for free. Kasi ano lang eh.
Come on.
Tapos inano pa nila. Adjust pa
Okay.
oh. Like ready to to use
Two,
na.
3. Hooray!
Gagamit ko na to siya ulit. Oh. Mas strong pala to siya kaysa dito kasi mas sharp yung ito eh. Mas sharp to siya kaysa dito. Anyways,
No,
Ayan.
Mine.
So that's good na. Ito kayo sa itong kubi. Hala, masasanay na. Nasanay yung ano ko, yung mata ko dyan. Oh, na mas clear. Can you please be careful, anaks? Anaks kasi florals. Anaks. Yes, Naks.
Please smack me because
Lynn, don't smack Ate Paris
she
lang.
wants me to go down for her.
Hala, panabaguan ako mata dito.
I can like this.
Hmm? Thanks, ate. And here's the soup. Ala, lumabas na. Mayabo.
Oh, I'm gonna.
The soup and the fried rice nandito pa.
I love.
Ang ganda. The shakoy and this. I'll have some of this. Ay, alam ko na magkakape ako. Ay, magkakape ng 4 o'clock. Oras ba? Oh, 4 o'clock nga. 3:59 na ng hapon. Yan. Kita ba?
Daddy.
Kakain na lang si mami niyo. Wala naman kami pinuntahan na iba doon, guys. Pagkarating namin, pumunta kami ng doon nga yung para sa glasses. And then library, nag-spend kami ng more than an hour doon. Nakilala kami Pinoy, Bisaya po. So, yun. Usap-usap yung mga kids, naglalaro talaga ba? Nag-click sila. Then, nagtatagalan kami doon. Then, paglabas, ice cream, uwi na kaagad. Ibang-iba na si mami yun. Guys, kasi before, Miss Paris pa yung anak ko, nadadala ko siya sa yung bang magtingin-tingin sa mga shops, mag-window-window shopping ba ganun. Yung mga damit, ngayon wala na guys, lahat sa akin ngayon ay online na talaga. Kaya, pupunta lang ako ng shops pag kailangan talaga, katulad ng glasses, kailangan ko talaga ng And I think I'm very happy with the frame na nabili ko. I can't wait na matanggap ko yun kasi mukhang yun, maganda yun siya sa mukha tingnan.
A few moments later.
It's nearly 7 o'clock, guys, and we are all going out for dinner. It's Friday, at alam nyo na kung ano yung ginagawa natin sa Friday. We don't cook, we eat out on Friday. So,
Candy bar.
ayan, ready na. Tingnan nyo, alam nyo ba guys, naka-jacket na si mami nyo, pero naka-ano pa rin. Pero, alam nyo, tawag ito, long sleeves na.
We're gonna make
Ito.
a word.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Ang ating Ate Paris ay naka-long sleeve na rin kasi very,
Someone loves
very, hindi siya very cool naman. Ano lang siya, cooler lang siya than usual. So,
Someone loves me so much.
Nini!
Cuddle daddy?
George, nag-shower sila ng tatay niya. Oh, I love Daddy. Come na, te! Let's go! Dito na kami, guys. Lalabas ni Daddy Mike yung pram kasi, have a look. Nag-shower kasi ito kanina. Kaya, very comfortable siya ngayon. Nakatulog na. Ayan. Sabi ko Daddy Mike, labas na lang ang pram. I'll see. I think she's going to stay asleep. Oh my God. Here, Vietnamese. Kasi naglinis na rin Mike ng bahay kanina. Shout ko daw. So,
I wanna drink water.
water? We have to ask.
Go ask.
You go, ask your big girl. Ay, careful with your foot.
They're gonna
Huh?
come and take your order.
No, I mean like water.
They'll come and bring it.
Now, what word starts with
Meron na nila to. Chili, lemon.
guys?
What's this one again, Daddy? Green shoots? This one.
Let's try and make something.
Basil.
Baso. Tapos, sinunod namin fresh. Kasi pagkatapos nito, guys, pagkatapos ng water, ay pinapabiyak ko to. Kinakain ko yung laman.
Mama, turn.
We're still waiting for our food.
What about...
That's my turn.
Alright.
Daddy, it's not gonna stand.
It will if you get it exactly right.
I don't think so. Ate, do you know how to use that? Chopsticks?
There's a weighted clip. It looks amazing.
chicken. Ayan, nilagay na ang kanilang chicken.
I don't want any vegetables or chicken
No,
inside.
you're having some chicken.
I don't want to.
Just a little bit.
No.
Nilagay lang chicken.
You can
Since
have
when?
chicken and that's it. You don't get that. And then you only need one more slice, you know, to get to the
And here's my
date.
bangue. Spicy beef soup.
Is that tomorrow?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so you have to
Yeah.
finish this one.
Bon appetit. Share sa tayo sa daddy.
No, it's tomorrow.